My name is Jorge Barillas. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I did a fellowship in Buenos Aires, Argentina, in arthroscopic surgery. The main reason why patients come to us is because of pain in their shoulder or knee. I strongly recommend that they should visit a doctor if they experience one of the following symptoms. Shoulder pain during overhead activities, pain while sleeping, if they experience some stiffness in their shoulder. I think those are the most common symptoms why they should visit us. Because if we diagnose one of those pathologies earlier, it's going to be easier for us to treat them.